Ever wonder how much you need to start investing? Let's talk Questrade minimums. So, you've been hearing the buzz about investing. Friends are talking about going long and buying the dip, and that financial independence thing sounds pretty darn appealing. But before you dive headfirst into the stock market, a crucial question pops up. How much cash do I actually need to get started? This is especially true for platforms like Questrade, a popular choice for Canadian investors. With all the talk of stocks, options, and ETFs, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But fear not, investing newbie. Today's video tackles the all-important question, what's the minimum you need to open a Questrade account and start your investment journey? Let's be honest, traditional investment houses can feel intimidating. High minimums and hefty fees can leave you wondering if you're some kind of financial heavyweight just to get in the game. Thankfully, Questrade breaks the mold. Here's the good news. To open a basic Questrade account, you'll need a minimum initial deposit of $1,000 CAD. That's right, $1,000. It's a manageable amount that allows you to test the waters, learn the ropes, and build your portfolio brick by brick. Now, $1,000 might seem like a hurdle at first. But here's the thing, think of it as an investment in yourself. Consider the alternative, letting your money sit idle in a savings account, slowly losing value to inflation. With Questrade, that $1,000 has the potential to grow over time, helping you reach your financial goals, whether it's a dream vacation, a comfortable retirement, or that fancy new car. But hold on a sec, there's more to the story than just the minimum deposit. Questrade offers a variety of account types, each with its own set of features and benefits. For example, a tax-free savings account, TFSA, lets your investment gains grow tax-free, which is a pretty sweet deal. However, there are contribution limits set by the government, so that initial $1,000 might not go entirely towards your investments within a TFSA. Don't worry, we won't get bogged down in the details of different accounts today. The key takeaway is to research which account type best suits your investment goals and risk tolerance. There are plenty of resources available online and directly through Questrade to help you make an informed decision. Now, let's talk about that initial deposit again. While $1,000 is the minimum, it doesn't mean you have to start there. If you're just dipping your toes in, consider starting with a smaller amount. Questrade doesn't have any account maintenance fees, so your money sits there, waiting for you to make your next move. Here's the beauty of it. Starting small allows you to build confidence and get comfortable with the platform before committing larger sums. Think of it as a practice run. You can learn how to buy and sell stocks, research companies, and track your portfolio performance without feeling the pressure of a hefty investment. Remember, successful investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't feel pressured to dump your entire life savings into the market on day one. Start small, learn as you go, and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience and confidence. So, is $1,000 the magic number? Not necessarily. It's the minimum to open a basic Questrade account, but the amount you choose to invest ultimately depends on your individual circumstances and financial goals. The most important thing? Just get started. Investing doesn't have to be a mystery reserved for the financial elite. With platforms like Questrade and a little bit of research, you can take control of your financial future, one investment at a time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.